Hi kids! Today we are going to learn about C letter words. C sounds K. Let's start. C is for car. C is for cat. C is for carrot. C is for candy. C is for cucumber. C is for centipede. C is for cauliflower. C is for camera. C is for chalk. C is for cabbage. C is for crayons. C is for cup. C is for cow. C is for cap. C is for cheese. C is for camel. C is for cherries. C is for carpenter. C is for comb. C is for couch. C is for carpet. C is for castle. C is for cake. C is for candle. C is for clock. C is for cookies. C is for crown. C is for cheetah. C is for clouds. C is for chair. C is for corn. C is for can. C is for coins. C is for cactus. C is for computer.